Hello from Item Inc. Today we're wrapping up our October giveaway, and we're giving away a total of $1,000 in-store credit to 3 lucky winners.
That's right. Thank you for everyone who took the time to participate. We love seeing your enthusiasm and wish you the best of luck.
Let's kick things off with our third place winner, taking home $200 in-store credit.
Discounted Laser Inc. Congratulations and thank you for joining the October giveaway. Now for our second place winner who will receive $300 in store credit.
Let's see here. Professional Escrow Resources. Congratulations and thank you for being part of our giveaway. And finally, our first place winner, earning $500 in-store credit, goes to Best Impression.
Congratulations and enjoy spending your $500 in-store credit.
A huge thank you to all of our participants. We love giving back to our amazing customers and community. Congratulations again to our winners, and thank you for being a part of Item Inc.